Dr. John here. Today we're going to be looking at supine leg raises. This is a great core exercise for activating your rectus abdominis, your abdominal muscles here, as well as your psoas, quads, and other hip flexor muscles. Before we get started, the key to this exercise is making sure that you're not arching your back too much when you're laying on your back. So to start, you're going to have your feet flat on the ground and you're going to find your neutral pelvis, right? So this is me tucking my pelvis all the way as far as I can, and then this is me really arching. You can see I can fit my hand underneath my back here. I want to find right in the middle there, so it kind of feels like the back of my pelvis is just resting on the floor, and that's my neutral pelvis. That's the position that I want to keep my hips in throughout this entire exercise. Now from here, I'm going to straighten my legs, keeping that pelvis in the same position, and this is when the exercise starts, right? We're gonna lift our legs up as far as we can. I have tight hamstrings. As you guys probably know, I'm not going very far, and then we're gonna come back down, not arching through our back. And you can kind of see as I come down, my back really starts to arch. So, one thing that you can do if you're having the same problem that I am, you're going to put your hands underneath your butt here, so that now my pelvis isn't on the floor, but my hands are. And this helps me to maintain that neutral pelvis position. So now I'm going to lift my legs up and bring them back down. And I'm no longer arching through my low back. Okay? And we're not bringing our legs all the way down and resting on the floor. We're hovering right above. And that's the start and end position for this exercise. Just up and down. You're going to do about 10 reps of these. And if you want, you can continue to challenge yourself. Maybe you only start with being able to do a couple where you can keep your pelvis on the floor and not use your hands. But over time, that should begin to improve. And that is how you do supine leg raises.